What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame. Now, what is the first thing that we can see? This candle pushing up and making new all-time highs. This candle is also breaking above this previous monthly bullish high. So if this candle closes up here, at the end of the month, we'll have broken structure and we'll have this new monthly trading range here. However, when we're pushing up into no man's land, it's difficult to trade into nowhere because you've got no previous price action before to judge like, okay, if we break structure here, we're going to go down to that low. We have no idea where price is going next. Price could continue just going up. It could go to here. It could go to here. It could go to here. It could, pull back all the way down here. We don't know. So what we want to do in situations like this is we want to wait for pullbacks, because then what we've got, we are bullish on the monthly, we're bullish on the weekly, the daily, etc. So if we wait for a pullback, we've got this new lower time frame price action here that we can wait for a pullback, and then we can trade through this range. We can trade through this range right here. This is our bullish trading range there. Or we can wait for a pullback here and, maybe getting sells if we get the confirmation. However, with what's going on in Russia right now, gold could absolutely gap up when the market opens. So I'll be interested to see what happens with gold going into next week. So let's jump down onto the weekly time frame and see what's going on. Okay, so you see this harmonic pattern here. This is the logic that the new bot is going to be using. This pattern is on here from me giving a demonstration about the new funded lab trading algo. Now, if we look at this, what have we got here? D point. We'd enter at the D point. Stop loss would go at this point up here, and then we would aim down for the C point right there. And this is the same trading logic in the new Phantom, new funded lab robot. It's super sick, but that's for a different video. If you want to watch videos about this bot, they're in the other videos. You can go check them out. Okay, so what can we see here? Last week's trading week was sick. It played out exactly as we wanted it to play out. So you see here, we took the liquidity at the beginning of the week, and then what happened? Oh yeah, boom. There we go. Price pushed up, because probabilistically that's what happens, and that's why it's so effective to look at, if you've got price here, look, price closed here, and we had the smallest gap to the previous week's liquidity when this one opened. And previous week's liquidity is money. It's liquidity. That's how the market moves, to collect liquidity, collect fuel, so it can continue to move. So when price is this close, you've got such a high probability of it wicking it at the beginning of the week. And if it does, that's a very good indicator that price will go the opposite direction for the rest of the week. And that's exactly what happened here. Now we're in a similar situation again. Obviously, with everything going on in Russia, gold could skyrocket on market open, and it probably will be very bullish the more that war is talked about on the internet, on the news, etc., etc. So price is going to open up here again. We're not that far away. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this liquidity here. You see we've got this resistance here as well, currently acting as support. So if we open up bearish, we take this liquidity and we do the same again as last week, we're buying up again. We're buying up again. If that happens, I'll be expecting a continuation with this wick fill. And, we've got all of the stuff that's going on in the world on our side. Anything happens in the world, gold flies. Okay, daily time frame. Where are we? Okay, interesting. So the daily time frame, see, look, we had this impulse leg here, bullish, retracement, continuation. However, see the candlestick, it failed to close. So if we get a failed high like this, chances are we're going to go test that low. And that's exactly what we're expecting here at the beginning of next week that we just looked at. We'll go on the weekly time frame. Again here with this candle. We're going to open up here. If we push down beginning of the week, we fake this, we're going to look to buy up back to that high. And this is setting up as well. We're getting like a double top pattern here. You see, double top here, like this. We've got the wick up there. But if we look where the candles close, like this. So if we break this neckline on the daily, chances are we're going down. We're going down. If we break it on the daily, then we can look for sells. But with everything that's going on in the world right now, we've got to be super careful with sells. Quick in, quick out. Boom. That's it. Take profit as quick as we can. However, the buys, we want to hold because chances are we can catch a much bigger move. So daily, we're bullish. We've got this reversal pattern on the daily. So again, price is going to open up here. I want to see price fake it at the beginning of the week, close back up, continue to the high. Or if we don't get that, I want to see price break this It's going to go one of two ways. It's going up or down from that level. And we just got to wait and see which way it wants to go. If we get a daily candle close, okay, awesome. I'll look for the pullback. I'll look for the sells. If we get a fake out, on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, we get confirmation there. Boom. I'll be taking buys. So let's go down to the 4 hour. And you see, look, again, this lines up with the daily and what we want to see on the weekly. So we've got a 4 hour bullish impulse leg here. And this is our 4 hour demand zone. So for price to continue bullish, the 4 hour can't break. So if the 4 hour breaks here, we've broken structure. So we can expect price to either continue from here or give us a pullback, somewhere into here if we do break structure, and then we look to sell again. But it's all about what happens at the beginning of the week right here. This is our key level going into next week. I don't know why that's green either. I didn't make that green. I'll leave it green for now. So we're just going to wait for the reaction. This is all we need to wait for this reaction, and look at the candle closes. 4 hour candle close, 1 hour candle close, and that's an indication that price could be going down. 4 hour fake out, 1 hour fake out, candlestick confirmation, boom. I'll be looking to take those buys up all day. If we go down to the 1 hour, what can we see? 1 hour. Sharing the same price action as the 4. That's all we're waiting for. I want to see, this is a nice buying opportunity here as well, but because it's the end of the week, the candle loves to take liquidity. We could take this buy. It's a valid buy opportunity to take there. We've got a big, we could take it actually under here, smaller stop loss, and look to swing it up for the week. But it all depends what happens on market open. It all depends what price goes. You can see here, look, a lower time frame price action. We're bearish here. So, if we break structure again on the lower time frame, beginning of the week, boom, we can look to take, price up and buy. Like if we break structure here, for example, we'll look for the pullback, and then we'll look to get in and get on that buy. Or I'll look for the fake out at the beginning of the week if it happens, and then we'll look to buy up. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Let's go over onto the Discord here. Got some stuff I want to show you. So results, guys. Remember, we've got the funded lab. Number 1, the automated prop firm passing and payout process. Everything's been done for you A to Z. And as I showed you here, the new, with this harmonic indicator, this is the same confirmations that the new bot, the new funded lab bot is going to use. And you can use this on every single time frame and every single pair. This is how price moves. You basically trade in price action. It's super, super powerful. You can trade 10 pairs, 1 pair. The video is just a couple of videos back from this one. You can see, look, we've got a D point here on gold. Just what we marked out there, and there's this valid confirmation to take a buy up. You see right there. It's beautiful. It's very, very nice to use this. The new funded lab is going to be sick because you can automate it, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use it in a semi-automated fashion as well. If I go on to here again, let's say results. Guys, this is free. Go to blackswanfx.com. There's a button at the top of the website that says click to join free Discord. Click that. You can come check all these results out in here. And you can also check the companions. The companions, these are day trading companions. And they're exactly what they say on the tin. They are robots built to be your companion. They are built using proven manual trading strategies. So you can sit side by side with your companion and you can look where it trades. It's going to take high probability trades. It's going to risk 1 to 2% per trade. It's going to trade like a professional trader and help you side by side. Again, you can fully automate this if you want, or you can trade side by side. You can do it semi-automated. You can even use it as a trade management tool. So much you can do here. And obviously, we've got the crypto lab down here, secret indicator. The others, you can check on the website, guys. There's lots going on. And I'm just about to update the website again as well. Big things coming, as always, guys. Remember, the funded lab, we've got some good discounts, which will be disappearing as soon as the funded lab 2.0 is launched next week. So don't delay. Get in the group today. Have a good weekend, guys. Bosh.